Altar Live is a popular church management software, but before you decide to buy it, here are 12 things you need to know. While Altar Live offers a lot of features, it's important to compare it with other solutions to see if it's the best fit for your church. First thing you should know is that Altar Live excels in its live streaming features. Many church management software solutions don't have streaming integrated, as well as Altar Live does. You can seamlessly host online services, making it easy for your congregation to stay connected. This can be especially important for churches with a hybrid or remote congregation. Next thing to keep in mind is its mobile app. Altar Live provides an app that allows for real-time engagement with members, but it's important to note that its app is more focused on viewing the live service than providing full management features. Other software like Planning Center or Breeze offer more comprehensive mobile management capabilities for things like volunteer scheduling and donations. The third thing to consider is its pricing. Altar Live's pricing can be a bit higher than some competitors, especially if you're looking for advanced features. For example, software like ChurchTrack or Rock RMS can be more affordable options, with ChurchTrack offering a very low starting price for smaller churches. Next thing is Altar Live's ease of use. It's known for its user-friendly interface, which is a major selling point for those not tech-savvy. However, if you're looking for a highly customizable platform, you might find it lacking compared to more advanced solutions like Planning Center or Breeze, which offer a more tailored approach for church management. The fifth thing is how Altar Live handles donations. It has donation tools, but they're not as robust as those offered by other platforms like PushPay or Tithe.ly. If managing your church's donations is a priority, you might want to check out those other services. The sixth thing is community engagement. Altar Live shines here, especially for its virtual fellowship tools like group chats and live prayer. This is a strong feature for churches trying to foster a sense of connection, even when people aren't in person. The seventh thing to know is its event management capabilities. Altar Live provides some basic tools for managing church events, but it doesn't have the depth of features that some other software offers, like the event scheduling and registration features in Planning Center or Church Community Builder. The eighth thing is Altar Live's reporting. It does provide some basic reports, but they're not as in-depth as those offered by other church management software. For churches that rely heavily on detailed reports for leadership or financial tracking, this might be a drawback. The ninth thing is integrations. Altar Live offers some integrations, but it doesn't support as many third-party apps as other church management solutions like Breeze or Rock RMS, which have a broader range of integrations with accounting software, communication tools, and more. The 10th thing to consider is the support you'll get. Altar Live's customer support is generally well rated, but some users report that getting help for more complex issues can take longer than they'd like. If top-notch support is crucial, some alternatives like Church Community Builder have more accessible support systems. The 11th thing is Altar Live's scalability. While it works well for small to medium-sized churches, larger organizations may find it lacking in advanced features that are important as your church grows. Larger churches often prefer solutions like Rock RMS, which are better equipped to scale with larger member bases. The 12th and final thing to know is Altar Live's security features. It provides secure member data management, but some competitors like Breeze and Planning Center are known for their stronger security protocols, which could be a deciding factor if your church handles sensitive data. Altar Live is a solid choice for many churches, particularly those that prioritize streaming and virtual engagement, but it may not have all the features you need compared to some of the more robust competitors. If you want a better option, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.